Hello, everyone, and welcome to Ancient Roman Trading Secrets with General Romulus. That's me, Romulus. This show is brought to you by Backpack Trader. Our goal is to help you become the best version of the backpack trader that you can possibly become. Anyone out there in the mood for some better gas? That's right. Prices at the pump continuing to go down, especially in about 2 weeks. Gas prices at the pump follow spot future prices in the trading markets by a couple of weeks, and you see oil breaking down today to a multi-month low. As a matter of fact, lowest prices that it's been trading at since earlier this year. And look at that, all the way back almost a year ago, 11 months ago actually, trading about the same level. See that purple line? Right, breaking through it right about now. So, like I said, lower prices at the gas pump for you, Mr. and Mrs. Driver, coming up in the next few weeks. That is certainly a reason that traders and investors are hopping onto to ride a little bit of a stock market rally in here. Although yesterday's video and from late last week, we highlighted and pinpointed a couple of areas to be on alert for a bit of a market rebound, demonstrated by, that's right, short-term oversold conditions, and even on the S&P 500, bit of a bullish divergence in there. I know this is kind of wonky language, geeked out kind of stuff, but you know, that's what makes the markets go round, right? It comes down to this, to get away from the tribal languages a little bit. The runner was tired. The downhill bear runner was tired and needed to take a little break. And that's all you're getting in here is a little bit of a break. Is this the end of this correction? Will prices now go exorbitantly and exhilaratingly higher for the next several days, weeks, or months? Probably not, no. Maybe another few days at most. 3-4 days, maybe a week or two, maybe. Up into this area, maybe a little bit higher, retesting that line right there, that purple line, perhaps. However, as we've been saying since these June lows, fully expect a retest of those June lows at some point. May not be by the end of September as originally expected. And a retest, by the way, don't forget, could come in the form of a couple of percent, 2 or 3% above these lows, 2 or 3% below those lows. But a retest, more likely than not, coming to a bear market near you. And you don't want to miss it. Unless, of course, you're long, and then you do want to miss it. Well, Apple's making some announcements. They're not the only ones. Seems like the tech world is grabbing back onto the dog and pony show to hold on to your investor and trading attention so that their stock prices don't continue to circle the drain as was happening for most of 2022. You know, the dog's cuter than the pony, don't you think? Not bad for pony, but I'm partial to the dogs. Anyway, so Apple's announcing new phones for the umpteenth time, and stock price is doing absolutely nothing, okay? Look back a couple of weeks ago. Tesla had a stock split. You see that little skinny S right there? August 25th, they split their stock 3-for-1. Now, a year ago, 2 years ago, 3 or 4 years ago, a stock split announcement from Elon Musk and electric vehicle maker Tesla would have been enough to drive the stock to new all-time highs and then even further. This time, barely budges. Apple has major product release announcements going on with both dogs and ponies. And the stock, well, look at that. It actually hit a new correction low today. Just for a bit of a rebound, but not much. You see, it's lagging the general market. NASDAQ's up 1.5%. Apple barely going anywhere. Okay? They're not the only one. Google announced another little product announcement, a phone or something coming out. They have a meeting and a dog and pony show for that. Meta has some kind of virtual reality headset bonanza going on in a few weeks. I think early March that one is. And look, both these stocks, let's go into these companies, shall we? Both these companies, you see Meta right here holding on to that. Let's draw a purple line. Oh yeah, let's do that. Come on now. Come with me. Let's go. There we are. Purple lines. Ancient Romans love the color purple because it designates what? Royalty. That's right. And if nothing else, the Romans, even though they knew it wasn't good for government and for the population, but in their own personal aspirations, oh, they love it. Just ask Caesar. All right, this stock should be breaking down from these support areas right here. So you want to call that mid 150s or so. Anytime between now and the end of October, perhaps sooner than that. Google's another one. Again, these are two companies that are having dog and pony shows coming up soon. Not quite as clear. The chart is not quite as pretty as what's going on over in Meta. But Google should be breaking down to a new, brand new, fresh 52-week low. Again, sometime in the following couple of weeks to a month or two.